At MB, we take pride on our HSE practices that have sustained our operations for over 40 years across various fields within the group. To highlight the most importance of these practices, Stay Alert is a program that sheds light on the HSE practices we are proud to follow. Welcome to our very first episode on our program, Stay Alert. Stay Alert is a program that focuses on various topics that helps employees and contributes into the health and safety. Today, we'll be talking about one of the most crucial aspects that the management pays great attention into, and that's the health of our employees. Today, let us talk about the periodic medical checkups and how they are conducted. Now, for us to understand more, let us pay a visit into the clinic. Please, join me. The clinic is located at our Zeber MB headquarters. This clinic serves not less than 3,000 employees annually. Please, welcome. Assalamu alaikum, Doctora.
Alaikum salam, Mr.
How are you
Abdulrahman?
today?
We are fine. How was your day?
Alhamdulillah,
Welcome
great.
to the clinic.
Thank you.
Please.
Wow, may you introduce me to your wonderful team today
Of
here?
course, this is our staff nurse Intisar Yusufi, and this is
Marhaba.
our staff nurse Yusuf.
Nice to meet you, Yusuf. Would you be able to elaborate more in terms of the benefits of the periodic medical examinations?
Yeah, of course. So when we say medical examination, we mean fitness to work. Is that employee fit for that job or not? So what we assess here is the physical plus the mental well-being of that employee. Because as you know that we have employees who are working in the field or in the workshops, and some employees are working in the offices. So we have different examinations and investigations that are done for each group. So why is it important to do this medical examination is that some employees and some people in general, they do not visit the clinics because they don't have symptoms.
That's right.
Or they think that these symptoms are not related to a medical condition. So when they come to us and we measure the sugar, for example, and it's high. For example, an employee comes to us and his sugar is 20, but he was not actually aware that he has diabetes. Because this is actually diagnostic. When you have 20, it means that you are having diabetes. Okay. We don't think twice regarding the diagnosis here. And when we ask him about the symptoms of diabetes, he does have the symptoms, but he was not aware of the symptoms. For example, one of the symptoms of diabetes is fatigue. He'll be tired most of the time. And he said that, yes, I was tired most of the time, but I thought it's work-related and not a medical condition that I have. And for hypertension, for example, some people have high blood pressure, and when we ask them about the symptoms, they do have a headache, but they thought because the manager gave him a big project to do, and that is the cause of the headache.
So he linked that into this.
Yeah. So this is why it's important, because we need to tackle these problems early to prevent complications in the future. What is also important in these visits that we tackle some of the bad habits in individuals like smoking, alcohol consuming, or even obesity or overweight. So we can counsel these people on the benefits of quitting these bad habits or changing their lifestyle in general to have a better life and more productivity at work as well, and to reduce absenteeism.
Absolutely. Regular checkups are not just a procedure, they are steps towards a healthy and safe lifestyle for everyone. So, what are the steps take in order to do a medical examination?
First, we are measuring vital signs, measuring height and weight and calculate BMI, measuring visual acuity, and measuring hearing test, and check color blindness, doing spirometry for the people who are working in the field, and blood collection, doing ECG, and doing urine drug test and alcohol test.
Okay. Do you normally do this very often?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah. I normally visit the MB clinic to do that every 2 years, that annual checkup.
Exactly.
And yeah, I'm always be here to check all that fitness.
Great. Do you see that this is beneficial for you, and do you advise others to do the same?
Definitely, yeah. Everyone should be come and ensure that he conduct that all the analysis of his blood test, blood sugar, even ECG, to ensure that there is nothing problems or any illness in his body to occur anything happening in future. For example, he has to check his blood sugar, high pressure, hemoglobins, urine, ECG. This is all important for the health to keep
Exactly.
your.
And the earlier you know, for sure, you'll be able to detect what exactly you have.
Yeah, of course.
And what are the early medication that you should.
Of course,
start
I'm
to take.
advise everyone to visit MBH clinic to ensure that he's complete his health checkup as per the periodic time. So please follow up.
In the end, it is not just about checkups. It's an investment in future health and better life for each of us. So let's make health and safety our top priority.